Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan mayonnaise. To begin, gather your essentials. You will need 1/3 cup of aquafaba, which is the liquid from a can of chickpeas, plus 1 cup of neutral flavored oil, such as grapeseed or sunflower. We also need 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. These few items are all it takes to create a creamy, versatile condiment right in your own kitchen. Aquafaba is truly the star of this recipe, providing that essential base for a stable emulsion. It mimics the emulsifying properties of egg whites, creating a wonderfully thick and creamy texture. Pour your 1/3 cup of aquafaba into a tall, narrow container, like a wide-mouthed jar or the blending cup that comes with an immersion blender. This shape is crucial for ensuring the blades can effectively incorporate air and emulsify the ingredients. Now, place the head of your immersion blender all the way to the bottom of the container, covering the aquafaba. Start blending on high speed, keeping the blender still for the first 30 seconds. Then, very slowly, begin to drizzle in your 1 cup of oil from the top. As you pour, gradually lift and lower the blender a few times to incorporate everything. You will see the mixture transform into thick, creamy mayonnaise right before your eyes, typically in under 1 minute. Once your mayonnaise reaches that beautiful, thick consistency, it is time to add the flavorings. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and about 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Give it another quick blend for about 15 seconds to ensure all those delicious flavors are perfectly distributed. Taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. If you desire a slightly tangier or saltier mayonnaise, this is the moment to personalize it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.